Rebound to Gegarao. Kalubakig will drive to the list. Yes, sir. First blood. Here comes Team La Union. Pass inside. Halo pass, the love pass, and the finish. And the pass to the corner. Pinabida. Oh, open under. And the side step the lace. Oh, that's one. Nakalusot. Kamen BTC 2025. To Gegarao, Cagayan Bird. And here's Team to Gegarao. Hook pass sa gitna. And stolen. Bola sa Team La Union sa 3. Negid. Rebound to Gegarao. Kalubakig will drive to the list. Yes, sir. First blood. And the pass break. And to the hoops. Here comes Team to Gegarao inbounding. And the pass inside Tungkol. Basket and one. Perfect execute. 6-1 ang score natin. Tugegarao by 1. Pinabitin agad. Rebound para dito sa Tugegarao. And the pass to the corner. Pinabitin. Oh! Open under. Here comes Team La Union. Pass inside. Halo pass. The lob pass and the finish. And here's Tungkol. The attacks. The pass. And stolen for Team La Union. And the side step the lace. Oh, that's one. Nakalusot. Lusot na lusot. Inside pass. Picks. Magay. One bounce. And foul. Oh, scoop fires. Yes, sir. Pass. Here's Team University of La Union. No good. Rebound. Picks. Fires off the window. Yes, sir. And straight to the hoops. Ooh. And here's Team Tugegarao. Bumpy spinning. Kicks out, Magay. Inside pass, the deliver rejected. And here comes Team University of La Union. And the pass, wing side. Corner, fires at 3. Bang! 3 po! Rebound. Para dito sa Team Tugegarao, Cagayan. Pure step, nagid. Rebound. Tungkol, pinabitin. Yes, sir. Tungkol. And the pass to Medrano. Crosses over. Bump. Post. Floater. Bullseye. And for the inbound. Bounce pass. Moreno. Corner pass. His drive. The floater. Yes, sir. Gets it to go. And the rebound. Kalubakib sa gitna. Magay. The lace. Yes, sir. And one. And Moreno at the top. Corner pass for Team University of La Union. Attacks Moreno. Reverse layup. Yes, sir. And now dribbling the ball. Moreno stop. 4-3. Bang! Moreno at the buzzer. And the pass. Pass it back. Inside pass, picks, and clash of the window. Yes, sir. Pounding for Team University of La Union, Moreno. Sky number, pass back, Moreno. And picks. Here's drive. Plays. Big. Yes, sir. Pablo with the ball. And the pass. Inside pass. What a fine. Basket and one, Moreno. And the pass. And Butakan nauna na Liz. Bakit for 2. Moreno pass to the left side. Right side Liz. Oh! May kapres. Oh, bakala mo ha. Tungkol is the... And the pass. Hook shot. Yes, sir. Moreno will pass. And kicks it out to Moreno. Moreno will drive. And corner pass. Picks, bump, kicks out Moreno, he launch, in and out, rebound kay Kalubakib, pass, and the, Tungkol, yes sir, Tungkol, Moreno, he pass, corner, 4-3, Nugget. And here's Butakan, lace up, yes sir, Butakan. And Liban, pass to the middle. Kalubakib. Goes to the screen. Kalubakib. Pass to Maggay. Maggay will drive, will bomb to the hoops. Basket and one. And we are tied at 32. Sa gitna. Sa wing side. Drives, lays. Oh, lumipad. Liban, di distansya to Arpon. Arpon will attack. The floater of the window. Money. Arpon of the set. And Kalubakib will go to the screen. Will bounce to the middle to Tongkol. Hook shot. Bucket for two. Tongkol. La Union, the high pass. Perez will try a three. Bang! 3 points. Perez. And here's dribbling the ball. Kalubakib against Perez. Pass to the middle. And he dribble. Will attack. Bounce pass. Butakan. Stops. Inside pass. Sa gitna ang gandang pasa. And a good finish. Maggay. Between the legs. Goes to the screen. Setting the play. Doon ka sa kabila. Sabi nung kasama. Will attack. Will bump. Will pick inside pass. Another extra pass. Oh! Uy! Oops! Ouch! And pass it to the corner. Will stop. Will fire. Won't go. Maggay. Maggay will stop. Will pass. Pass to the middle. Kalubakib. Stop, pull up jumper, bullseye, Kalubagi. And Cagayan Valley up by 2. Ay, up by 4. Cagayan Valley up by 4. And wing side, corner. Up natapikan ni Stolen, Tungkol. Pass to Kalubagi. High pass. And drives to the host. Maggay will finish. High pass to Pablo. And it's Moreno with the receive. Moreno. Perez fakes, stops. Pass to Moreno. Bounce pass to the corner for 3. Short. Rebound dito. Kalubagi. Pass break. And bounce pass Butakan. Yan na pass. Rebound post back. Oh! Ang tie. And here's number 0 to Moreno. Moreno with the ball between the legs. Bounce pass. Will fire a 3. Nagid. Rebound Tungkol. Sumegway. Tungkol. Inside pass. Fires. Kalubagi with the finish. Moreno to Perez. Pass to the corner. To Moreno. Moreno. Inside pass. And fires. Nagid. Rebound Tungkol. Loop. Tungkol. Sumisigsag to the hoops. No good. Rebound. Put back. Yes, sir. University of La Union. Inside pass na tapikan ni Stolen. And the pass break ngayon. Butakan. Hook shot. Oh, pa. Finish by Butakan. And here you go. Number 44 will drive. Pretty beaten. Rebound. Oh, the follow-up shot. And the finish. And Moreno will bump. Will stop. Corner pa sa wings. Side step. Pinabitin, bucket of the glass. Maggay bump. And pinabitin, wala. Rebound Maggay. Oh, pangalawa na yun. And Moreno inside pass. Rebound, yes sir. Bucket for 2. Here's Baligod. Baligod penetrates to the hoops of the window, won't go. And here's Team La Union, the pass. Kumasinta, umatake, lumusot. Oh! Nothing! For the backdoor inbound, the pass. Kicks out. Stops. Wing side at 3. Nagid. Rebound na naman. Inside pass, the finish. Yes, sir. And here you go, Kalubaki. No. Bump. Corner pass. Open fires at 3. Bang! 3 points, Kalubaki. Pass to the middle, Moreno. Moreno goes to the middle, stepping back, wing side, Perez, inside pass, and Stolen, and Baligod. Baligod behind the back dribble. Baligod, pass to the wing side, Maggay, will attack, will bump, kicks out, Par 3, Nagid, rebound, oh, Bagiran, pass, rejected. Rebound, put back up. Oh, bakit Magay? Moreno, 10-point lead for Team Cagayan. Left wing's corner. Pass back to Moreno. Moreno will spin. Will drives to the hoop. See, ay, pinasa floater. Yes, sir. Are now inbounding. Bounce pass. And here's Moreno. Penetrates to the hoops. Yes, sir. More. And Baligod. 23 seconds on the game clock. Bump. Floater. Rejected. And here's Team La Union. And now in Harry Perez. Pihang in the air. Yes, sir. Arpon. The hook pass. Baligod. Floater shot. Rebound. Reverse layup. Finish by Bagger Atakan. To the wings. Magay will post. Stops. Oops. Oh, stolen. And bounce pass. 3-on-1. And alley-oop pass. Yan lost the handle. Recover and fire. Moreno will finish. By Bagiran. And it's Butakan. Kicks out. Kalubakib will open fires. Bang! And here comes number 24. The wing side. Wild open Perez. Bang! 3 points. Perez. Kalubakib. And the pass to the wing side. Butakan crosses over between the legs. Lost the handle. Recover. And ball is stolen. And Kawele pinasa. Perez is spinning now. Rebound. In here's Moreno. Corner. Oop. Spins pass. Wala pa rin. Oop. Put back. Bucket for 2. Kawele. 1 to 3-point lead. And here comes number 17 to the hoops. No good. Rebound para sa La Union. Perez. Sa gitna. Oop. And here's Moreno. Moreno. Cross pass. Open look. He fires for the tie. Bang! Tie game! And the pass to the wings. Perez. Corner. Oh! Rejected by Tunggol. Moreno will set the play. Shot clock down to 6. He goes to the screen. Moreno is spinning. Goes to the screen. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. Change favor. Passes to the wing side. Corner. Pass back Moreno. Against Balubal. Goes to the middle. Kicks it out. Perez will drive. Moreno. Corner. Open look fires. Bang! Triple! Bagib. Lost the handle. Recovered by Magay. Magay. Penetrates. Reverse layup. Basket and 1. Magay. Perez. And the pass. Wing side for 3. No good. Rebound. Para kay Magay. And the pass sa gitna. Balubal. The pass. Open look. He drives. Butakan inside pass. Tungkol to Butakan. Fakes. Fakes. Fires. Bullseye. Change favor. Up. And Moreno. 74-73. Moreno. Pass to the corner. Kawili. The pass. Natapikan. Stolen by Magay. Magay now with the ball. Magay. Straight to the hoops. Time for the ball. 3-point lead. And the pass. Moreno to Kawili. To Pablo. To Moreno. 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 He goes to the screen. Screen by Pablo. Corner pass open. Fires at 3. Not good. Rebound. And lost the handle. Oh, my foul. On the free throw area. Fires. Not good. Balubal last on the free throw. Wala. Oh, na-rebound niya. He gets his own rebound. And here you go. Butakan. The pass. Kalubagib open look. He launched. Won't go. Rebound. Put back. Tunggol will finish. 1 minute 23 seconds on the game clock. 5-point lead for Team Tuguegarao, Cagayan Valley. And here's Kawil. Oh, bounce pass. Oh, recover. Dive for the ball. Recover. Corner for 3. Short. Ooh. Backdoor inbound for University of La Union. And sa gitna, open look, left alone. Na good. And rebound, Cagayan, the pass. Here comes team to Gegarao. And wasting the clock. Bakit Butakan? Butakan last on the free throw. Bakit Butakan? 2 out of 2. And here's team La Union. Medra, kicks out. Perez, deep 3. No good. And the pass. Butakan, the pass to Kalubakib. And the pass. Another pass. Sa gitna. Inside pass. No look pass inside. Lutonggol will finish. And congratulations to